Welcome. This channel is about helping you make money online. The promise of making more money than you can imagine is totally true. You can make a comfortable extra income and even fire your boss. All you need to do is to learn how, so let us help. Internet Marketer Training by George Pierce proudly presents.
Creating a YouTube video involves several key stages, from planning and scripting to filming, editing, and publishing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a high-quality YouTube video.
You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published.
Hello and welcome. I am Elena, and in this video, I will take you step by step through the process of creating YouTube videos that your audience will want to watch. Let's get right to it. 1. Define your video topic and goals. Choose a specific topic, pick something that's interesting to your target audience and aligns with your channel's niche. Research keywords. Use YouTube or Google's keyword research tools to find popular terms related to your topic, which will help your video get discovered. Set your goals. Determine if the video is meant to entertain, educate, or persuade viewers. 2. Plan and script your video. Outline key points. List the main points you'll cover to keep your video focused. Write a script. Develop a full script or bullet points for each section to ensure you stay on track. Hook your audience. Start with an engaging introduction to capture attention within the first 10 seconds. Include a call to action, CTA. Decide where to add CTAs like subscribe or comment below. 3. Your equipment. Camera. Use a smartphone, webcam, or a DSLR, depending on your budget. Microphone. A good microphone improves sound quality. Lavalier mics or USB mics are affordable options. Lighting. Soft, diffused lighting or a ring light will improve the video quality. Position the light source in front of you for a clear image. Editing software. Download free or paid software like iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro. 4. Set up and film your video. Choose a filming location. Find a quiet, well-lit area with a simple background. Frame your shot. Keep the subject, you, centered and avoid distracting backgrounds. Adjust lighting and sound. Ensure your microphone is close and lighting is evenly spread. Record multiple takes. Film each scene a few times so you have options in editing. Use a teleprompter app, optional for longer scripts. A teleprompter app on a tablet or phone can be helpful. Edit your video. Import footage. Organize and upload all footage to your editing software. Trim and cut. Remove pauses, mistakes, and unnecessary sections. Add transitions and effects. Use simple transitions and text overlays to enhance engagement without overloading visuals. Include background music and sound effects. Choose copyright-free music for background audio, and make sure it doesn't overpower your voice. Add captions and subtitles. These increase accessibility and can improve SEO. Add an intro and outro. Branded intros and outros help establish a consistent format and brand. 6. Optimize and upload to YouTube. Create a catchy title, include relevant keywords, and keep it short and engaging. Write a compelling description, outline the video content, adding keywords naturally. Choose tags and hashtags. Tags and hashtags help YouTube's algorithm understand your content and match it with viewer searches. Design a custom thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so make them vibrant and descriptive. Schedule or publish. YouTube allows you to schedule videos in advance or post them immediately. 7. Promote your video. Share on social media. Post on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a broader audience. Engage in communities. Share the video in related communities or forums, ensuring it aligns with community guidelines. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and engage with your audience to increase retention and build a loyal community. 8. Analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics, track views, watch time, and engagement to see what's working. A/B test thumbnails and titles. Try different thumbnails or titles on your next videos to see what resonates. Learn from feedback. Adjust based on what viewers like and don't like to continually improve your content. By following these steps, you'll create engaging, high-quality YouTube videos that attract viewers and help grow your channel. If you have questions about specific steps, let me know. I'd be happy to help with any part of the process.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching and much success.